In this video, I'm going to be giving you a strategy where you can completely dominate the London session. This is made by ICT himself, and he has an hour-long video on this, but I'm going to be explaining everything in under 10 minutes, so make sure you listen very, very carefully to this video all the way until the end, right? So what we're going to be doing is very, very important. We're only going to be trading within these pairs right here. Okay, once the indicator marks out the kills, and you need to be active on the markets to spot any confluences. Okay, so this strategy actually starts from 7 a.m. So if I play price forward, there you go, you can see 7 a.m. just started right there, and this is a new strategy that I've never taught before, so you gotta listen, right? As you can see, 7 a.m. this indicator, I'm going to be giving it to you, it's really, really good. It's just marked out our 7 a.m. time, right? So what we need to do from here on out, liquidity, this strategy can be used as a reversal or continuous trade, so there's no specification of where price needs to sweep before entry, right? But there's one thing that you need to listen to. So as you can see, the strategy actually peaks at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., right? The strategy peaks at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And if you trade within this kill zone, then you're going to be making so much profits. Actually, it could be from 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. So we're going to just wait until we play price forward, right? We're going to play price forward until it gets to 8 a.m. right here. And there we go. So once we get to our time, what we need to look for now is the market structure shift. To increase the win rate of the strategy, you need to wait for an engulfing candlestick to take out recent price action, and then you can look for the fair value gap. So what we're going to be doing now is playing price forward, and you can see it even marks out our fractional lows right here. You can see the orange area, and you can see the gray area right here starting because it's the 8 a.m. time, right? So there we go. So as soon as you mark out your fractional lows, what you need to do now is wait for an engulfing candlestick to actually come take out, and there we go, which got a very, very big engulfing stick which took it out. So now if I move this over here, this can be easily marked as our market structure shift. And as you can see right here, we have a pink highlighted area, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what this pink highlighted area is for. All right, the fair value gap. Okay, the indicator does not identify the high probability fair value gap all the time, but if you wait an entire on the HPF, the high probability fair value gap, then the win rate will be increased exponentially. Okay, so this means just wait until you get this highlighted pink area or blue area, which will give you the high probability fair value gap, which will completely smash your take profit if you enter off of it, right? So as soon as we actually do this, all we've got to do now is listen. This strategy does not require any daily bias for it to be in motion, so there's no need to worry about any daily bias, right? So as soon as you are at this point right here, all you've got to do is actually enter your position in the fair value gap. So I'm going to be marking my fair value gap from here to here because it is the highlighted pink area, as you can see right there. And all I'm going to be doing is entering my short position, right? Just off here, place my stop loss just above the first highlighted area of the FVG, and place my take profit as a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, right? So that's all I'm going to be doing. All right, but just before I continue this on, if you're serious about actually trading and becoming funded, you need to join the first link in the description, because this isn't just a service, this is a partnership. Okay, we get real results. As you can see right here, Jonathan got $2,000, and SOP S got a prime trader achievement from FTMO itself. Okay, you can see right here, MSPass will cover 25% of your account cost, and we will pass your phase 1 and phase 2, and we will manage your account for 4 months. You can join, check our results, and check everything, all our clients. Okay, this is running out so fast because you need to join as fast as possible. We only accept 5 people every single month, so just click the first link in the description and become one of the first 5 people, and you never pay before you get a payout. That's the most important bit. But anyway, what we're going to be doing now is playing price forward here. You can see that I just entered. Let me move this over. Just entered price right there, and it's re-entered again, and it's gone down to completely smash our take profit, just as we predicted, right? This strategy works so well. Now let me just play price forward so we can figure out the ending of the strategy, right? So it's from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. Right? This is the time frame that you're gonna be trading on. And the indicator, I'm going to be linking it at the below of this video. Okay, I'm going to be linking the indicator name in the description. But anyway, this is going to be the actual strategy, right? I'm going to be explaining this on a fundamental level right now, just for you to exactly know what I'm talking about. So you're going to be waiting for agent session to do whatever it wants, right? But once it actually gets to your specific trading time, which will be 7 a.m., as you can see right here, this will be 7 a.m. And then once it actually gets to the 8 a.m. time, you need to wait for it to actually take out a price action with a big engulfing candlestick. So as you can see, let's say this is the market structure shift right here. This is where actually 8 a.m. is. So let me just mark this out with a vertical line. let's say this is 8 a.m. and this actually came down and gave us a very good market structure shift right here. As soon as this happens, you need to wait for actual price to give you the, it's going to give you the highlighted area, which you need to wait for it to actually give you the highlighted area before entering. Okay, as soon as it gives you that area, all you've got to do from then on is just mark it out as your fair value gap, because that is the fair value gap. It would have been taking out the fractional lows or fractional highs. As soon as it's done that, all you've got to do from here on out is literally enter your position, right? So as soon as that's done, I would enter my position right here, placing a sell limit, placing my stop loss just above the highlighted area, placing my take profit as a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 3 sword ratio. And as soon as I do that, all I've got to do from then on is literally play price forward. You're gonna see price go down, enter this area, come back, and then completely smash your take profits and move this over. As you can see, it's gone down, gone up, completely smashed take profit, and then it's completely just smashed it every single time. This strategy is one of the strategies that helped me completely pass my account, and also I do teach this in my mentorship, which is also down below. Okay, remember, the indicator does not identify the high probability fair value gap all the time, but if you wait and enter on the high probability fair value gap, then the win rate will be so good, right? In the next videos, I'll be showing you how to do this on NAS 100, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, and S&P 500. Okay, we've done this on GBP USD today, and if I go back to the example right now, you can see how well structured the example actually is, right? You can see that it's actually taken out, gone up all the way. It's been such a rug pull right here. As you can see, if I actually do put a line, it's gone all the way up, just like this uptrend, and then after it actually reached a rejection area, what it's done is it gave us a very good engulfing candlestick right here, which is this one, and it's taken out our lows. Okay, it's taken out this fractional low right here, and once it's actually done that, what we needed to do is enter off a fair value gap, and then as soon as it's done that, we marked out our inefficiency candle as a fair value gap, and then once we've done that, all we waited for is our actual entry point, right? We just executed a trade. We could have easily gotten a 1 to 4, just like this. If I just move this over, easily hit a 1 to 4, right? But this is exactly how the strategy works. I'm going to be explaining this more and more in the next upcoming videos. But anyway, this is going to be the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.